डॉक्टर कार्डियोलॉजी दिल्ली अपोलो हॉस्पिटल। हम लोग ने एक पेशेंट है जिसको इस्केमिक कार्डियोमायोपैथी है। इस्केमिक कार्डियोमायोपैथी मतलब कार्डियोमायोपैथी बिकॉज ऑफ इस्कीमिया। इस्कीमिया का मतलब लेस ब्लड सप्लाई। These are the patients who have got so bad supply into the myocardium that myocardium pumping functions get disturbed, reduced. It is actually calculated by ejection fraction from echocardiography, and ejection fraction from echocardiography revealed ejection fraction of 30 to 35%. We have done a quick angiography and then followed by angioplasty. These patients sometimes may have nothing abnormal, and we can find a normal angiography also. And मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ ये angiographic shots. We have done angiography and then we have. So this is angiography in reverse because we cannot do reverse camera. You can see the LAD has got 80% stenosis, followed by 99% stenosis. Circumflex has a typical branch और उसमें भी blockage है. और we decided to do RC is a non-dominant vessel and RC is a non-dominant vessel. उसके अंदर this is more clear-cut demonstration of the blockage in the LAD. RC is non-dominant and therefore we don't need to do anything. ये RCA के शॉट है, ये DME का शॉट्स है और यहाँ पे हमने क्विक वायरिंग करके एक स्टेंट लगाया. We have done a stent in the left antidescending artery. This is the wire, this is the balloon and
और थोड़ा सा जाइए उस तरफ.
this is a stent being deployed. 2.25 millimeter stent into 30 millimeter stent, and these are other blockages which are important but cannot be opened so easily. So we have done a stenting of the right coronary artery, left coronary antidescending artery, and the result is perfect. Angioplasty restores the blood supply very quickly. Bypass surgery also restores, but it requires opening the chest and all. These patients who are having less ejection fraction are not fit for bypass surgery. Firstly, and secondly, angioplasty can open it. There is no need to open the chest. So we have opened the left antidescending artery, which is supplying the left myocardium, and it will be patient. We have done from the radial route. Thank you, Dr. Uttam Apollo, on 29th August, talking about ischemic cardiomyopathy treated by single stent in the LAD, and hopefully the ejection shall be improved.